In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a favicon on your website. We'll get started right away. So as you can see right there, as of right now, if I just go to my website, you'll see the WordPress icon right there. Now what if you want a logo or your icon to appear right there? Well, all you need to do is go into your website, so sign in, then click on appearance and click on customize right there. And by the way, this should be the easiest way to do this. Now next up, you want to click on site identity and then scroll down, and then right there you'll see site icon. Click on select site icon, and you want to make sure that it is a square and it's at least 512 by 512. So I actually made this picture right here, and this is the one that I'm going to use as my site icon. So you want to make sure to have that ready and then click on select site icon. Then I already have it here, but if you don't, then you can click on upload files, click on select files right there, and you then want to click on the file and hit select right here, and then click on skip cropping if you don't need to do that, and then it should be right here. You click publish, and then you should actually have a site icon. So I'm just going to hit refresh, and there you go. So as you can see right there, I now have a site icon, and that's pretty much how you can do this. Now if you enjoyed this quick tutorial, then please consider leaving a like. I would appreciate that. That would help me out with this video. And yeah, that's it. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.